Yeah. YouTubers, you're here. You obviously want to see me fix this wheel. You've clearly clicked on the video. Yeah, well, you might as well watch me fix it. I've already attempted to try and fix this tyre. Right as we were about to jump on the boat and come back from Tasmania, I had to go and put a plug in it. Both of the back tyres on this car are very old. They're actually from, I had another Ford Ranger prior to this one, and they're from the older model. I'm surprised I've still got them. But there's still tread on them, and let's see if I can mend them. Probably the easiest option would be go down to a tyre shop and get it replaced. But what I'm planning on doing, just to see if I can get any more life out of it, would be I'll jack the car up, I'll take the wheel off, I'll pump it up, and I will completely suds the tyre basically in just some water and soap, and just see if I can see where all the air's coming out of. Hopefully it's not too many locations. Always put a jack stand into your car. Pumping it up to probably 50 psi, which is what I'd usually use when it's on the road and I'm not planning on going off-road. The adventures these tyres have had. Have a look. Look at all the chopped outs in them, and oh my god, the cracks and the slashes and the... wow. They've done a very good job. I can hear the leak. It's coming from where my plug is. Now, I might try putting a second plug in next to it, see what happens. What I've got here is just a bucket of some water. We have our regular car wash. So, let me get in there. So we've got here, which is our main leak we can hear. But I've also got it blowing bubbles out of these slashes too. So I mean, this tyre, yeah, here, see, you can see it coming out of there too. I don't know what I've ran over, but it's all in this one spot. There's a few little leaks. I'll try and plug all of them. Now you can see it there. It's just, I don't know what the macro's doing, but that right there is blowing little bubbles. And this is where our main leak is. Now I'll give it a go, see if I can fix it. These tyres are what, $360, I think, here in Melbourne, if you went down to your tyre shop. You see why I'm giving it a bit of a go. The other thing I could do after I put a plug in this, if this holds, is there is stuff called like green goop or something they're called. Basically the green goop, you take your valve out and you put this green goop into your tyre, and whenever there's a small leak, it's a bit like if you cut yourself, your blood comes out and it dries up and seals yourself from bleeding to death. What a terrible analysis. Anyways, yes, similar to that. So when it comes out one of the holes, it will seal up, it'll dry up and cause a seal. So that's how the green goop works, and I mean, if I want, I could try putting some of that in. I don't know how expensive one of the bottles are. Oh, alright. I mean, some of them call them slime, some called liquid patch. I don't know. There's ones on here that look like they're for full drives. It says, ever had a holiday or adventure ruined by a small puncture? This liquid patch puncture sealant, you will simply don't have to worry. It is designed to be added to a tubed or tubeless tyre. This puncture sealant sits in the tyre until the puncture is found. So basically, I mean, I used to use it on me motorbike and me push bikes and everything. I mean, up in country Victoria, even your lawnmower tyres would get punctures in them. I might give this stuff a go. Why not? They're $25 for a bottle. So if this doesn't repair the tyre and I have to replace the tyre, then, you know, if it's $360 for a tyre, you're talking it would really end up costing you $385, because I've gone out and bought a puncture repair stuff that didn't work. I'm willing to take the gamble and make a video about it for you. I might give this one a go. Most dearest one here. And this is for large tyres. Bear in mind, all of these are for temporary fixes only. They're not something that you want to use to leave on your car forever, but I'm going to give that a go. I want to get as much as I can out of this tyre. I've got the stuff. So what I'll do is I'll deflate this tyre completely. Take the air completely out of the tyre. Here we go. Righto, let's see if this fills it up in there. Oh yeah, there's foamy stuff going in there. So I'm going to go for a quick drive, just to get the fluid going right around the whole perimeter of the tyre inside of it there, to try and find all those little leaks. So just a small little drive up around the block, and maybe get up to 60k an hour somewhere, and might grab some lunch, treat myself some lunch. Done such a good job at fixing this tyre, because I mean, I don't know if it's fixed, but we'll find out soon. Driving with my tyre that has been Band-Aid fixed. Well, there we are, guys. I'm back from my drive, and it still has air. Good start. Hit me up with the comments, guys. What do you think of stuff like this? By the way, I'm not sponsored by these guys at all or anything like that, or any of the other brands you've seen, or even BF Goodrich tyres. I just like those tyres, that's why I've got them. Tell me what you think of this stuff. Have you guys used it on a full drive before? Has it given you good results? Has it not? I'm going out for a quick little trip out to Geelong and back. I'll be back tomorrow, and so that's going to put quite a few kilometres on this car. I'll check the tyre pressure and see what it is before and after, and probably tomorrow I'll give it another soap. I'm going to keep that soap in the bucket, and I'll just go soap all over it again and see if there's any more leaks, and I'll be able to tell you guys whether this has actually helped or not. And it's tomorrow. Good news, there's still air in the tyre. I've been all the way out to Geelong and back, so I stayed the night in Geelong and came back, and it's still got air. So we must have fixed it. Let's check what PSI it's got. Yep, still got 50 PSI. Oh, that's a win then. We fixed the tyre temporarily. As I said, the stuff that you put in through your valve to stop all the slow leaks, like a temporary fix thing, but I'll see how many Ks I can get out of it, you know. I mean, I carry a spare tyre for that reason. If I get a flat, I'll just put the other one on. So let me know in the comments, what do you reckon of this stuff? Is it any good? Should we be using it on big heavy full drives like this? I'll let you know. I'll take it down some rough full drive tracks and see how it goes.